So you might be getting this error on TikTok where it pretty much tells you that the post is either unavailable or the post has been age protected or some sort of thing like this. Now, the reason why this is happening is because your TikTok account isn't at the suitable age of viewing those TikToks. So if you're not at that specific age, then don't even try this because it's not really going to work for you. However, if you are the appropriate age and if you think that's an actual glitch or something like that, now the first thing I would recommend doing is to update your TikTok application. So go ahead and click on your app store like this. And the first thing I'd recommend doing is clicking on the search button right there and updating your TikTok app. Now, if you wanted to view that specific TikTok at a later point, or if all the TikToks you're seeing are like this, then this is pretty much what the error is. So you want to go and click on a TikTok here, and you want to see if there's an update available. Now, if there is an update available in your app store or whatever, then you want to go ahead and update the application, and that is pretty much the easiest way to fix this for the most part. Now, if you don't see an update available, the next thing you can try doing is making your way over to your TikTok application. And when you're here, what I would recommend doing is clicking on the three lines on the top right corner, and you want to get into settings and privacy. Now, when you're here, there's a lot of things that come up. What I would recommend doing is clicking on manage account and seeing if there's any options here to, essentially change your birthday or anything like that. Now, within TikTok, there's really no other way that I've been able to see to completely change your birthday. But the best thing to do in this specific situation is to contact TikTok and have them on their back end change your birthday for you. So, and that's only if you're actually of that specific option. Like I mentioned, there can be a situation where they need to verify it. You may have to send them information. I'm not 100% too sure. So I'd recommend doing is scrolling down here and going into report a problem. So click right there, and what's going to happen is they're going to give you a little prompt where you can pretty much explain what the issue that you're having basically is. So you can see right here, you can see a bunch of different things. What you want to do is you can pretty much click up here and say just like age protected or something like that. In some cases, you can type in load TikTok like this, and you can go ahead and just basically want to get into a situation where you can just contact them for the most part. So you want to go and click here, you can click no, and you'll have an option to click need more help at the bottom. And here you can explain to them, hey, I'm having this issue. Basically, I can't see my age protected TikToks, and they'll basically go ahead and be able to verify for you. And you can also attach a screenshot if you have any. And from there, if your account was actually suitable for those, viewing those TikToks, but it wasn't working for you, this is pretty much how to fix it for the most part. So that is pretty much it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.